weighing 4 tons, big enough to make over 1 million French fries and make over 20,000 servings of mashed potatoes. This has to be the biggest potato in the world, and this is the famous Idaho Potato Truck.
Okay, well yeah, welcome to the Big Idaho Potato Tour. What we do is we travel around for 7 months out of the year promoting Idaho potatoes.
We're here in Bristol, Tennessee. Last night we were at Bristol Dragway and made a couple passes. That's the first time we've ever done that. So now we not only have the world's largest, but the world's fastest potato.
Yes.
Tomorrow we're going to Dollywood and we're really excited, so yay!
Nice. So we do a lot of vlogging at Dollywood.
Oh,
so that is awesome.
We are super excited about the cinnamon bread. I've heard cinnamon bread is like the go-to. Some of the rides, I can't name them off the top of my head. I'm so sorry. The Eagle we've heard about a lot. We also heard that there's like the oldest roller coaster in the U.S. there, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if that's, we'll fact check later. But the star of the show just sounds like the cinnamon bread, so we can't wait to try.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Very cool. Okay. Well, thank you guys. We appreciate it.
Yeah,
absolutely. Thank you.
Talking to us.
The Big Idaho Potato Truck is on its 13th cross-country journey. It began in 2012 as a one-year campaign to celebrate the 75th anniversary of the Idaho Potato Commission, and became quickly apparent with its success that it would be more than a one-year occurrence. It is also certified in the Idaho Potato and its mission to help small charities in towns and cities with its Big Helping program. Not to mention that people just want to have their picture taken with a 4-ton Idaho potato. And here on the truck it shows the famous check mark for the American Heart Association, the American Diabetes Association, and their charity, A Big Helping, and we'll talk more about that here in just a moment. Is this potato real? I don't know, maybe we'll find out. It looks real, but is it? We have learned that the potato weighs an astounding 44,320 pounds. If this potato were real, and it might be, it would take over 7,000 years to grow. Okay, so while we walk around and take a look at this thing, I want to tell you the Idaho Potatoes support local causes nationwide. We had mentioned a minute ago the tour has created a Big Helping. During the 6 months that the truck tour travels each year, local charities are identified and they work to raise awareness, funds, and foods, or sometimes even all three. A few more numbers on the truck. It is 72 feet long, 10 feet wide, and 13 feet tall. It visits over 120 cities each year and travels more than 22,000 miles. And for those of you into sports, the Idaho Bowl is sponsored by one of these partners, the Idaho Potato Commission. They took over as the Bowl's official sponsor in 2011. The game, of course, is played at Boise State University on the world-renowned blue turf, televised on ESPN each year.
Thank you.
This is so impressive. We have really enjoyed checking this out. This potato is absolutely huge. Very, very cool thing to see. All right, a little more information on the truck. If you want to see if it's coming to a city near you, check out bigidahopotato.com. And there is also a website where you can track where the truck is at any time, and that is potatotracker.com. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video. Also, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you see all of our videos as soon as they come out. And we really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Hope you have a blessed day. We have been blessed to bring it to you, and we'll see you next time.